How's it going, everybody? Paul Davenport here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick, healthy, easy breakfast, high in protein, high in carbs, and low in calories. And since it's such a nice day outside, I'm going to be showing y'all a cool at-home full body stair workout you can do. And all you're going to need to make this breakfast is eggs, white bread, cheese, and bacon. I chose turkey bacon just because it's less in calories, but that's all you're going to need. A little bit of 0-calorie pan spray. Put the burner on medium, medium-high. Crack some eggs. I like to do 3 eggs. A little bit of salt. Good bit of pepper. And then whisk it all together. Then we're going to pour the eggs in the pan. And this next part is the key. You're going to put the bread on top of the eggs, like so. Get the egg on one side, then flip it. And while the eggs are cooking, we're going to throw on the bacon. Once the egg has kind of solidified a little bit, this is when you're going to do the flip. The flip is a tricky one because you have to use 2 spatulas, unless you can just do the pan flip. And this is when we put on the cheese. Then you're going to fold these 2 corners over. Then once your bacon's done cooking, put that on top. Then we're going to fold it. Then we're going to let it cook for about a minute on each side until you get a nice goldeny brown color. And then you got this bomb breakfast. That comes out to 520 calories. 38 grams of protein, 24 grams of carbs. Took me about 10 minutes to make. Now that breakfast has about the same amount of calories as a Pop-Tart, but is way more filling, way more healthy for you. Let me know in the comments which one you'd rather have. So for this first exercise, we have single step squat jumps. You want to make sure you're keeping an eye on the stairs and landing properly. You don't want to twist your ankle and stuff like that. But for each of these exercises, we're just going to do three sets of 1 flight of stairs, however many stairs it is for you. The next exercise we're doing are triple stair squat jumps. These are a little more tricky, and you definitely want to make sure you're landing with proper footing because you don't want to miss and injure yourself. The next exercise, we have single leg, single stair jumps. These are going to help you with your balance and stability and also work your calves a little bit. And you want to make sure you do both legs equal number of times so you don't create muscular imbalances. And for the next exercise, we have Bulgarian split squats. I went up 2 stairs. You can go up however many stairs you feel comfortable with. But for these, you also want to make sure you do both legs equal number of times. And this is a good exercise to work your quads as well as your hamstring and glutes. And the next exercise we have are decline stair push-ups. Again, we're doing 3 sets of 10 of these. And you can go up as many steps as you want as long as you're keeping proper form and as long as you're comfortable with the amount of stairs you're doing. And for the final exercise, if you have access to the under part of your stairs, you can do pull-ups on them as long as the steps are sturdy enough to hold your weight. But we're doing 3 sets of 10 of these. And that is it for today's video. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see y'all in the next video.